Hi everyone, this is Corey from the Trails Committee of the Narragansett chapter of the Appalachian Mountain Club. And in this video, I'm just going to show you how to submit a trail report um, into directly into the map if you are on your computer. Please note that can only be done if you are a Trails Committee member or a trail adopter, where we have your Gmail added into each map and that it is set as an editor. Okay, so if you are not an adopter or a Trails Committee member, you will need to use the Google form link to submit any trail reports. All right, so what you do is once you know your location of where your issue is on the trail, which you could get from a GPS track or just from memory of where you were on the trail, uh, what you're going to do is you're going to drop a waypoint where the incident or where the issue is. Now, please make sure that you click the blue box, the blue icon first, where it says click here first. This just makes sure that your trail report issue gets put under the trail report layer. If you don't do this, it'll go under whatever your last layer was. So if you happen to click on a sign, your waypoint's going to go under the sign layer. If you clicked on the trail map, then your waypoint is going to go under the trail map. And if that happens, it's not a big deal. We just take it and drag it up to the trail report section. So once I've clicked the blue little icon there, this blue waypoint, every map's going to have one somewhere near the middle of the trail. You don't have to find it. You can just go to the legend and then click it, and then you're good to go. So now I can click on this blank spot. So let's say that the issue is right on this between these two red points. I'm going to click on the waypoint marker, and I'm going to drop a waypoint, and then I'm going to put in blowdown with reroute. We're just going to pretend that this is here. So reroute causes you to easily lose the trail at this point. And then reported is the date that is reported. So we'll just put in, whoops, sorry, date. You will not fill it in the action. The Trails Committee will fill in the action. Like when we go out there, we can say that we've looked at it and we'll plan a work party to take care of it. Or if it's a blowdown where it's like a little thing that people could still get over, we may say that we're going to leave this in place for now. Then what's really helpful is to include a picture. So you can click on your camera and then let me quick. It's going to be faster for me to do it this way. Let me upload from my computer. I'm going to go to the desktop and just give it 1 second to load. I'm going to upload this picture. Need to move this out of the way. Open. And I'm going to upload the picture. That just might take a second. And a picture's worth 1,000 words. It really helps the Trails Committee with knowing how much work is actually needed at that location without having to make another trip to go out and scout it and then another trip to actually go do the work. So then the picture is there. And then you can click save. Now, obviously, that blue dot icon, that's not very helpful. How do I get these other icons? To get the other icon, to click on the paint bucket, and then you select the icon. Now, these icons I've used, so they are here for me to use. They're kept as a shortcut once I use it once. But if it's not there, you click more icons and then type in what you're looking for. So this is a tree. I need a tree. Okay. Or say you can't, there's a big flood on the trail. You can look up flood. So this is really easy, finding the symbol. Okay. And then by default, what we've decided is red is something's wrong, needs attention, and green is good. So blowdowns, we're going to make red. So then now this is at the location. So the Trails Committee can look at the trail reports and see all these issues on the trail. They can click on that specific issue and have a map, and this will help us with planning how to resolve the issue. Okay, so this was how to submit a trail report issue when you are on your computer at home. Please check out one of the other videos if you are actually on the trail and want to submit it right there when you're at the spot on the trail. Or if you need to know how to do it through the Google form, go ahead and watch the video on how to do this through the Google form. So thanks for watching, and thank you for helping maintain our trails.